In this video today I'm going to show you where the tow-in eye is on a BMW iX3 and also where the covers are where you need to remove to put the tow-in eye in. So the tow-in eye is just located just here, so you can take that out like so, and it's just located in this little pouch. And now the cover's located just here on the rear. So you need to press in at the top. There's a little arrow indicating where to press in, and then that will come out, and you can see it's attached just here. And you're going to get your tow-in eye, and it goes in here, and you need to turn it clockwise to tighten it. The handbook recommends at least 5 turns, or as tight as it will go. Use a tool if necessary to tighten it. And then to remove it, you do counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. It will come out. And basically with this bit here, if you get your finger and just shove in that bit there so it's travelling down this part, it will go in a lot nicer. Put the tab here in first, so put the top bit in first and then just click it into place, like so. Let me show you the front. Around the front it's located just here. Again, it's got a little arrow up the top, so press in at the top and then it should work its way out. The front's a lot more fiddly than the back, but it comes out there. And then you put your tow-in eye just in here, again clockwise, at least 5 turns, do it until it's tight, and then loosen counterclockwise, and then you need to put the top bit in first. And click it into place. There we go. Thanks for watching.